So first question is, what is a job queue? Job queues enable users to schedule and run specific reports and code units. And you can set up jobs to run one time or on a recurring basis. So you can schedule certain tasks to run at specified intervals. And you can also use that for service management to schedule service tasks with that job queue. Let's have a look. So look for job queues, then you can open up the job queue entries and you see that a number of job queues have already been created here. You can create as many new job queues as you want. Typically a job queue runs a report or a code unit. Let's have a look on this job queue here. So here you see this is a job queue that is going to run a code unit specifically for service management. And you see here service order check response time. Now you might remember that in the beginning of this course we explained in the general service management setup that you can configure email warnings, and we had 3 levels of those. Email warnings that are going to, emails that are going to send out to warn a specific person who is specified by an email address. And we're going to warn that person that the starting date and time of the calculated response time for that service is approaching. And this code unit is doing all that calculation and is also executing an email then, which is going to be sent to a specified email address. And what we are going to do here with the job queue is running that code unit during specific intervals with a start date, for instance. So you can see here that this is the code unit then that is executed and run. You can also specify reports if you want, but for this, in this example, it's a code unit. You see that you can configure it to start at a specific moment. And then recurrence, you see here, you can really define on which days and which times and with which recurrence, in this case 60 minutes between runs, that this needs to execute. So you see here, this one is here in the list. And you see also it's scheduled, yes, it's recurring and it's going to be executed every 60 minutes. You can of course put it on hold and you can restart it again. So the message is here, you can use the job queue to schedule for recurring tasks related to your service management functionality.